Mm-hmm.
Had to go with your husband? That must have been difficult. She said like a bad thing, like I had to go with had to go. You know how he is. He's so slow.
No, he said it was perfect. He is perfect.
Yeah.
His is perfect.
And then when you like it, you hold the magnifier down, hold that film in place, tape your corners.
Yeah, I forgot my glasses today. I need someone to help me.
Another cosign.
Well, that's good that you call for an audible, for an assist, because yeah, phone a friend.
Well, look, your eyes is working quite well.
No, they're not.
Check me out, check me
Let me
out.
see the words.
Can I touch your shirt?
Yeah, it's puff
Did you already
HTV.
take
Yep.
it?
No, not yet. Tape it up here.
Around the corner, watch it.
I'm not cool with it.
All right. Then we go down and do the bottom. Check those, tape those in place. Then you tape vertically along the side,
We've been waiting for you.
staying on the carrier chute. Make sure you don't go off onto the grid. Yep. Eh. ¿Dónde está tu esposa?
I
No?
have to put it. That's why we have to. I had to put.
Want to check?
That's why I came late.
Sure.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
You were waiting for her?
That.